taking shots in the dark. Most of the bullets buried in sands of time. The wounds heal, but scars leave light. Your grip feels tighter than before, and it holds now on the land, not on the shore. Familiar, but you're no big brother to me. When you're dragging me back in time and centuries, oh, it's all such a distant memory. When you're a couple of miles across the sea, don't break her spirit, break her empathy. Friday's child is all that keeps the peace. Spent trying to cut all ties. We knew there'd be no peace on either side. Finally you saw I needed rest. It seemed like you wondered what was bad. I'm not sure you know what's at stake. I'm not a moving part in a chess game. How carelessly you can still common sense. How easily you let yourself forget. Across the sea, don't break her spirit, break her empathy. Pride is jealous, only keeps the peace. Pride is jealous, what we need to be free. She keeps the peace, we must honor her empathy. Don't let it be in vain, all those years of such sorrow, of such pain. Right is just she keeps